Hey guys, Alex George here, and I'm here with FifaPlaya754 and Matt RONALDO.
Hey guys.
Ryan.
Hi.
Yeah, okay, so, Matt RONALDO's got to open the first pack. Here we go, first pack. Skip it.
Okay, whatever.
Pogba! Oh, crap,
Oh my
pass
god,
you.
okay.
Pass
Okay,
you.
I'm not going to discard it, so calm yourself down right now.
Oh, wait, pass
Okay,
you, pass you. No, yes.
I'm going to send it all to the club. I'm going to discard the rest.
Yeah.
Now, FifaPlaya754 turn.
Okay, we got Pogba. He's going into my team, definitely. Okay. Let's open it, yeah.
Right,
Come
don't
on.
be stupid.
Oh, I see an 80 rated.
Best player, Max.
No, there's
No,
an 80
I'm
rated.
Arrow, mate.
Yeah,
Send
store in the club.
everything in the club.
Okay, there we go.
Now it's Alex's turn.
We got Pogba at least, that's good. Okay, come on.
Next pack.
Oh my gosh. Oh, Jesus, Navas in the duplicate. Oh
Oh no, we have
Papadopoulos.
Papadopoulos and De Jong.
no. Look at all these duplicates. Jesus, Navas. Goodbye.
Okay, now we're going to be opening normal 5k packs.
I'm going to start off. Let's go. Right now, please give me something good. Like, if imagine like a 98 rated player.
Wait, let it spin, let it spin, let it spin.
And we skip. Kajira.
84.
And
Oh, very nice.
Okay, that's alright.
Let's
Yeah, unlock the
claim-
free pack.
Let's claim this free pack.
Yes, send all club.
That's all right pack. I'll say that right now. That's a quite good pack. Now
Okay,
it's
last
FifaPlaya,
pack.
now it's
Last
FifaPlaya's-
pack. Last pack.
Last pack of the pack opening on FIFA World Cup.
Skip. Oh, see no one.
Oh,
Fiance.
well. That is a terrible pack. Absolute atrocious. Atrocious.
Okay, see you guys. This is Alex George. Goodbye.